one very important transaction that is owned by Basis, but if you are lucky, you can get the authorization. It's always good to know this thing. There is, you created a purchase order, you created an invoice, but it didn't make it to the database, but it gave you a dump, or it's giving dumps. So what you can do, or it's not saving, it's not committing in the database. So in those cases, what you have to do is you have to check SM30, which checks basically the log for any update request that has failed. So you can check all the logs. So luckily here I don't have anything, but ideally you shouldn't have anything. The basis team owns this one, owns this transaction, and they check it on a regular basis and see whether there is any update failure. So if there was an update failure, which is not in this case, okay, so I can go here and it will give me all the updates, all update requests. Okay, so here, if there was a failure, they can click create repeat update and it might commit the database. But this is a very important transaction, and it's owned by basis team, and you will be using, I wish you don't use it, but means you don't have to wish it. I don't use it now. You don't have to wish use it. That means your stuff is working. If you have to use it, that means something is messed up. And in big projects, sometimes big clients, they have some messing up because there's locks and all those things that were bombs out everything. So that's very important. SM13, you need to check all the update failure in SAP. Okay, you might say, oh, it never happens. Trust me, it happens sometimes. It doesn't happen all the time, but sometimes. If you're lucky, you will not get it. If you're unlucky, you will know it. Okay, so SM13, to check update request failure. Stay tuned to my SAP channel, and happy SAP learning, and have a great day.